Hi, this is Paul. I'm live here from Changhua, reporting on pollution. Here we have today water pollution. A lot of garbage and trash that has been thrown into the river. There you can have a look. Here we have water pollution. A lot of garbage, trash, black plastic bags, foam boxes, and it's creating water pollution. So please, people, stop pollution and save the world. This is Paul signing off for Changhua News. Goodbye. Hi, this is Paul for Changhua News. I am reporting about land pollution. Here we have land pollution. Cigarette butts, cigarette packets, more cigarette butts. Plastic, 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 plastic bottles. That's land pollution created by garbage and trash. Please, people, stop pollution and save our world. This is Paul for Changhua News, signing off.